Welcome students. Today I would like to share detailed explanation of 7 chakras in human body. Very important topic. So let's continue. There are 7 main chakras in human body which are located along the spine or the pathway of Sushumna. Chakras have connection to network of nadis. Chakras are considered as energy centers or psychic nodes in human body, also known as whirlpool of energy. Each chakra is associated with a certain part of the body and organ and provides it energy to function. The continuous flow of energy through our chakras determines health and balance of the body. Important point. The 7 major chakras in the body are: first is Muladhara chakra. The word Mula means root and the word Adhar means place. This chakra is also known as root chakra. Muladhara chakra is situated at the perineum and the base of spine in the coccygeal region. Dormant Kundalini is residing here. Important. This chakra is symbolized by lotus having 4 petals of dark red color. The red color of Muladhara chakra represents the energy and development. The sense and element associated to Muladhara chakra is smell and earth element. In the center there is a red triangle in yellow square. An elephant having 7 tongues is sporting this triangle and the square. The Bij mantra of Muladhara chakra is Lam. It is the place of Apan Vayu. It controls all the activities related to the functioning of excretory system and reproductive system. Note down important point. In balanced state, this chakra provides a sense of security, safety, vitality, stability, and confidence of human beings. Note down important point. All the 3 nadis, Ida, Pingala, and Sushumna, arise from this chakra. The deity and Shakti associated to this chakra is Ganesha and Dakini. Second chakra is Swadhisthana chakra. The word Swadhisthana means one's own seat or base. This chakra is situated at the root of sexual organs and about 2 fingers width above from Muladhara chakra. It is symbolized by a crimson orange lotus having 6 petals. The orange color here represents the development, consciousness, and alertness. The sense and element associated to Swadhisthana chakra is taste and water element. In the center there is a upturned crescent moon riding on a crocodile. The Bij mantra of Swadhisthana chakra is Vam. It controls the functioning of reproductive system. Important. The presiding deity and Shakti associated to this chakra is Brahm and Rakini. Next chakra is Manipur chakra. It is situated behind the navel region in the spinal column. The word Manipura means city of jewels. This chakra is symbolized by a yellow lotus having 10 petals. The sense and element associated to Manipur chakra is sight and the fire element. The base mantra of Manipur chakra is Ram. It is the place of Samanvayu. It controls the process of food digestion and metabolism. Note down. The presiding deity and Shakti associated to this chakra is Rudra and Lakini. In the balanced state, this chakra provides us dynamism, contentment, creativity, power, self-assertion, self-worth, dominance, self-control, and resilience. Next chakra is Anahata chakra. It is located in spine at the 8th cervical vertebra behind sternum. The word Anahata means unstruck. It is symbolized by lotus having 12 petals. The sense and element associated to Anahata chakra is touch and air element. The Bija mantra of Anahata chakra is Yam. In the center there is a intertwined descent. and ascending triangles. The vehicle is black antelope. It is the place of pranvayu. It acts as a bridge connecting the lower and higher energies. Note down important point. The presiding deity and Shakti associated to this chakra is Shiva and Kakini. In the balanced state, this chakra provides us feelings of peacefulness, happiness, brotherhood, and joy. Next chakra is Vishuddhi chakra. It is located at the base of throat in the neck region. Vishuddhi chakra is symbolized by a lotus having 16 petals. The Bija mantra of Vishuddhi chakra is Hum. The sense and the element associated to Vishuddhi chakra is hearing and ether element. The animal associated to Vishuddhi chakra is white elephant. It is the center related with creativity, communication, and self-expression. Self-expression. It is the point of Udan Vayu. Next is Ajna Chakra. Sixth chakra is Ajna Chakra or Agya Chakra. It is located between the eyebrow center in the mid-brain region. It is also known as third eye. The three nadis, Ida, Pingala and Sushmana, meet at this point. This chakra is symbolized by a silver lotus with two petals. Its Bij mantra is Om and the element is mind. It includes wisdom, intuition, intelligence, forgiveness, and compassion. Ajna chakra is the center of wisdom. Next, seventh chakra is Sahasrara chakra. It is located on the top of head. The word Sahasrara means 1000. It is symbolized by a shining lotus having 1000 petals. It represents spirituality and enlightenment. It is the state of pure consciousness or cosmic consciousness. It is the connective center to the spirit. This chakra represents the highest level of consciousness. So these are the 7 chakras. First is Muladhara chakra. Second is Swadhisthana chakra. Third is Manipur chakra. Fourth is Anahata chakra. Fifth is Vishuddhi chakra. Sixth is Agya chakra. And seventh is Sahasrara chakra.